To install WordPress on your local machine, open up your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge as my default browser. Go to the website called localwp.com. This website, as you can see, is a very clean and simple website, where at the top there are download options. We will go and click on the free download option here. There are two download options. We will select any one of the two. Once you click on the download button, you will be provided with selection of your platform. This software package is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. I'm using Windows PC and I will go ahead selecting Windows platform. Continue with the download process by entering your name and email ID. Once you enter your email ID and click on Get It Now, your download will start automatically. Your download will be saved at your preferred location. Save your download to your preferred location. Here is my download and I'll double click it to install. The installation process is as simple as any other Windows software package. Now my software is installed and I am running the software for the first time. When you start the software for the first time, it takes a little bit of time to load up. Here you can click on the Create a New Site to install WordPress. To start, you need to give a name to your WordPress website. I'll go ahead and give it a name for my demo website. Once you give a name, click on Continue and then you can select your server environment. I'll go ahead with Custom and select my preferred PHP version and database. Click Continue to the next step. In this step, you require to enter a username and password for your WordPress website. This username will be your admin username and the password will be your admin password. You can also provide an email of your choice. In case you require to reset your password, this email will be used. Once all the fields are filled up, click Add Site to continue. WordPress will be installed at the background. It will download WordPress from the website automatically and install in the background. The whole process of this installation of WordPress takes a little bit of time. I'm cutting short for this video. It takes a lot of time in some cases. The actual time taken will depend on the speed of your internet connection. Our site is installed. Now we can view our site by clicking on the View Site button on the top right corner. So this page gives you an overview of your website installation or your WordPress installation. Gives you information about database. You also get an SSL installed in the process. So here is our site, which is installed on our local machine. So this is the plain vanilla WordPress website. We can go ahead and click on the admin login page for further designing of our website. We used a admin username and password that we have set in the first step of our installation of this WordPress website on the local machine. So here it is the dashboard of the WordPress website, which is running all from the local server. We can do whatever we like with our WordPress website. We can create posts, we can create web pages, we can add themes, we can add plugins. Everything can be done. And once you design your website at your local host, you can finally transfer your website to a live web hosting. This package also allows you to get a temporary live link by visiting which you can access your website from any other device through the internet. Live links will only work when your website is running at your local machine. That means your local machine will also act as a proper web hosting server. So this is the live link which I was telling about. If we click on, or if we right click on the website name, we can have different options, like we can go to admin dashboard, or we can stop the service, or we can delete the service. Everything can be done from this context menu. To stop our website, we can simply click on the stop site button, and then our site will be stopped. The server will be stopped. So that's it. We can easily install WordPress using the local package. It is very simple, and hope this will be helpful for you. So keep creating beautiful websites. Thank you.